So I tried to install pip install bitnet on Tarmax on Android. This is Tarmax written there, you can see on the top. And this pip install bitnet, pip install, yes, first I tried with UV, but it is showing that fast dash system. So to install into non-virtual environment. Okay, then I tried with pip install bitnet, it ran, but it had faced some problem with version conflict actually. So with dependency with torch actually. So you can see that so torch I am not having. Should I? But it should. Pip install torch, probably this should not going to run probably. Okay, torch. PyTorch. There are lots of packages, man. Bitnet. Python. Uh, okay. Dependency conflict. I need to UV UV pip install. Okay, dash system. I I am I don't know much actually. Still, yeah. Uh, it is showing different errors because only the following versions of Torch are available. 1.5. Oh, it is actually 3. CPP. We can, okay. So I don't have the CPP. You require C Python CP312, but only found for doing Torch. Okay. Uh, in Torch I am having many Linux. This is ARM, probably ARM. Anyway, I can CP try the following. Python ABI tags CP312 system CP311. No, তাহলে এটা কি ছিল? UV pip install CP312 dash system. So I'm creating these queries on the fly actually. UV pip install CPython. CPython dash system. It does happen something. It does happen. Not found and you require CPython. You can conclude. Okay. So CPython is not there. Pip install APK. APK was right. Apt install CPython. Okay. Uh, apt installs Python. Uh, pip install CPython. What if I am firing this? Oh my! But there is having some other issue. C Python for Tarmax I need, right? Okay. One second, please. Wait. There are some sands inside my nose actually. Okay. C Python for Tarmax. C Python. No, it is. You can see that Google Gemini is showing bad results, wrong results. Earlier I have did it. Actually, if I can do this, let's see. I don't know. I just my comment may be proved as false if I am not finding here actually. Installs CPython on Tarmax Android. It understands everything very clearly. You don't need to bother. You don't need to bother. DeepSeek rocks. DeepSeek rocks. DeepSeek rocks. DeepSeek always rocks compared to any other thing. Even if they fail for these things, I don't know. But the thing is that you can see I am talking at real time. But the thing is that earlier there are lots of many cases where uh, Google failed miserably. But DeepSeek just did as like in a breeze. It did not thought even I did not click on deep think or search without deep thinking, without searching. It can click. It can tell anything. So I'm going to show you again the same query I'm going to run. Okay, so you can see it is a step-by-step guide. It's guiding everything. But Python should have clang. Actually, if I am writing the clang, I have the clang. Probably I have forgot to add the clang. Actually, anyway, this is actually see. Look, they are giving lots such things, and you earlier saw that how Google replied some blank statement, vague, nonsense type of basic related things. Even a failed interviewee or interviewer or who is giving interview, job seeker, they can easily like from these are common sense. These are from common sense that there should have a C Python version, there should have some C Python. So you don't know, just find them. Just find the workarounds. Everything is possible in the software world. You are not like bending the reality or flying with nonsense, stupid, those time machines, fucking some nonsense. Uh, so these are not anything, those things. Anyway, I am closing as of now. So with Tarmax we can install and do some lot of things. So okay.